Ears. Tell me body parts. What is this?
This is my nose.
Finger పెట్టి చూపించాలి.
This is my nose.
What is this?
This is my head.
Head. Very good. What is this?
This is my mouth.
నువ్వు చెప్పట్లేదు. What is this?
This is my mouth.
Mouth. Okay. What is this?
This is my chin.
Chin. Okay. What is this?
This is my eyes.
Good. What is this? చూపించాలి నాకు.
This is my hand.
హ్యాండ్. ఒకటే అయితే హ్యాండ్ అనాలి. ఓకే. స్టమక్. వేర్ ఇస్ యువర్ స్టమక్?
This is my hand. Stomach.
గుడ్.
This is
ఓకే.
stomach.